Hello everyone, this is Henrietta Onyemere. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making what we call plantain bread. Hope you enjoy watching. Thank you. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 2 overripe plantain, 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, half cup of milk, some melted butter, salt, cinnamon powder, baking powder, baking soda, a tablespoon of sugar, and some vanilla essence. All the ingredients and their measurements will be listed in the description box below. Please check it out. We'll start by mixing all the dry ingredients together. I'm adding the cinnamon powder, the salt, the sugar, a tablespoon of sugar. You can add more if you want, but the plantain is very sweet, so sugar itself is optional. Added a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix everything together and then set aside. I've also put on my oven to be preheating while I'm mixing this, because this is not going to take time. Set it aside and then get the plantains and prepare it. I've washed the plantain, so all I'll do now is to cut it, peel it, and then mash it with my masher. You can blend it if you want. You can use fork. It's just very easy. But I don't want to blend it. I want to get some pieces of the plantain in the bread. So that's why I'm just going to mash it into puree. We are done mashing the plantain. The next thing we do is to add other liquid ingredients into the plantain and mix together. I'm adding the milk, the vanilla essence, just half a teaspoon of that. I don't know what happened. My light went off, so please bear with me. I'm adding the eggs. Remember, 2 eggs I have there for 2 cups of flour. the melted butter. Together. Then we'll bring the dry ingredients and add the wet ingredients to it. We're almost done. Keep watching. Thank you. Oh God. Trying to scrape everything. I have also greased my baking pan with some oil. So the next step is to bring my pan and then pour in the batter into it. And then we are ready to start baking. We take it to the oven for baking. And here is our delicious plantain bread, well baked. I baked the bread for 60 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius. Yes, and it tasted so delicious. I couldn't even wait. It was still hot while I started cutting it. I could not even wait. Thank you all for watching. I hope you try this. Please share my video, like, comment, and subscribe if you have not. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you all. May God bless you. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.